The crowning process is one of the most critical components in any bending machine. Proper crowning ensures the straightness of your parts. An exceptional crowning mechanism achieves this effortlessly, eliminating the need for manual programming, corrections or interventions. As we have always done, it operates completely autonomously. This feature truly offers peace of mind. Here is how it works. We have a 3-beam construction. We also call this a sandwich construction. It is very similar to our renowned dynamic hydraulic crowning. All 3 beams are welded to the side frame over their whole height. This adds to the stiffness of the machine. The 2 outer beams have a recess on the outer sides, so they only touch the table in the middle. This gives the construction a force-dependent shape change. The middle beam has a deep L-shape cutout on the outer sides, which serves as a pivot point. The beam bends downwards on the outer sides of this cutout. There are 2 axes connecting the 3 beams above the center of these L-shaped cutouts. These limit the downwards movement of the middle beam when we exceed a certain force, and stiffens the entire sandwich construction and prevents any permanent deformation. The outer beams bend downwards with a force and position dependent shape. The middle beam acts as an upwards bow, which compensates for the needed crowning of the upper beam. The sum of both shapes perfectly compensates for the deformation caused by the part. Numbers. If I bend the part over the whole length and use the full 120 tons, the total parallelism between the upper and lower beam is less than 0.04 of a millimeter. That is devilishly clever. Now, you might wonder, like I did, why isn't this applied to all machines if it works so effectively? That's an outstanding question. On our ByBend Star 80 and 40 bending solutions, crowning is unnecessary. These bending machines are constructed in such a manner that they are considerably over-dimensioned, leading to minimal deformation. Even when subjected to maximum force, the angle variation is far from perceptible. Regarding the larger experts, we already boast the finest crowning system worldwide. Thus, there is no need to alter it.